What is up, guys? In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to make money in stocks going both up and betting down. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead, jump into this video, and I'll see you guys in just a second. Okay, guys, you guys have already been through the introduction. You guys know that this is how to make money both ways, going long and short, how you can make money when a stock is going down and when a stock is going up. And today is the absolutely perfect example of exactly how to do that. And SINT is the ticker here. We're on a 5-minute chart. You can also do this on a 2-minute chart here. Either way, it makes sense here. I usually trade on 2-minute charts until it gets to around 10 a.m. and then I do switch to a 5-minute chart. So here is what we're going to look at here, and this just makes it a little bit easier and a little bit more clear, a little less candles. So with that being said, I am sorry for the noise. My dog's in the back. I'm sure you've already seen her walk around over here. But anyways, this one, I was actually live on Instagram when I called this was going to bounce at 350 and hold support more likely, not only because this right here was at 350, but also because 50 cents and whole dollars are become support and resistance a lot of the times. And what do I mean by that? Support and resistance, guys, I have a whole video explaining what exactly they are and how to use them. So with that being said, excuse the mess around me here. We are currently moving again. Got some big news coming up in this next video, so put your notifications on if you guys don't already have those, and subscribe. Got a whole new YouTube series coming out. Got this out and ready for it just for this reason. So with that being said, how do you make money going long? So this is pre-market here, guys, this gray area. When it gets over to this area, we are looking at the actual market hours. And this was great because I knew with the news being down here and what it was, that this was going to be a perfect play. At 350, I didn't exactly get in on this, but I did actually get in up here in a green candle, watch it move up. Now, I told people I didn't go do this when I was live, and there's a reason for that. I hate lying to people, but I also don't like people copying my trades. And so I did, I knew I had a couple people in my live that were just going to copy it, and it's no offense to you guys, I just want you guys being able to make your own trades. So this wasn't the only trade I made, though. I ended up selling off before the market even opened, and I made my money from, look at this, 365, or I think I entered at 367 actually. So in this green candle, and we ran it all the way up here. Now I didn't hold all the way up in here. I actually only held to 390. I took my 20 cents a share and ran with it because it was a pre-market play. They're a little bit more risky. And then I went on ahead, but you guys can do this during market. So say if it was here and it ran up, you could have played that one and made money here. My thing was it got it had a hard time at 4, went up, and then right here is what I was, sorry about that. I'm actually going to draw a price line here at resistance. It came here once, twice, and couldn't get over it, and then it started falling back down. So it's exactly what I did. It was as soon as it didn't break this, I got short in here on this long wick. And it's a candle wick because I'm using candle charts. So then I did not cover this whole move. I was shorting this though. Shorting is betting against the stock that's going to go down, and you make the difference. So I took profits, of course, in here, but it's just the perfect exact example of why these stocks go up on news. And these, let me look at a longer term chart on this one, is why this is a perfect storm chart. It went up to $16.80 before, and then it's all the way down here, less than $1. If you guys can see this little price over here, we're at under $1 for a long time. So, and I saw that, I game planned off of it. I didn't tell everybody my game plan, but we went in through here. We got a short, a little play, a little scalp, made a little bit of money. My main play was right here, shorting in the wick, covering it down in here a couple times. Now again, guys, you guys got to remember, when you're going in with a little bit more shares like I did this morning, you're not just sending one order in, and one order out. Now that's a big misconception because everybody's like, oh, wouldn't that be harder to get filled? Exactly. You are right in that case scenario. And this stock could fall even further. But I don't care at this point because I already made my money. Um, I do short on E-Trade because TD Ameritrade, as some of you guys will know, it is harder to short on. So I always chart on TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim, and then I have a screen over here with E-Trade popped up to where I can short it and have them both running at the same time. I have my chat room as well for you guys, alerting you guys. And I did alert you guys that this one was starting to fall. So there wasn't actually an alert for all my students saying that, hey, this one's getting ready to fall. I also called the curl up as well. So with that being said, I mean, I had 3 orders that got fulfilled in order to short it, and I had 3 orders that got filled getting out of it and covering going short. So with that being said, it was technically a total of 6 trades, but I consider them as full trades, 3 full trades. Guys, this is just an exact case scenario on how you can make money going both ways. Something runs up, you can make money there. Something runs down, you can make money there. Usually when I do this though, it becomes something, and I want to show you guys this one because everybody gave me crap the other day about shorting this one. I had a huge short, I made a lot of money, and then the next day it fell even further, during the day it fell even further, but I didn't care because I already made my money here. And then it started grinding back up, and I made money going back upwards as well. And you could have made money this morning on S. Guys, you guys know I like S a lot. So that is something that I do a lot. SINT was one here, though, that I did like, and I think you are going to see it possibly fall even further. I think you're going to see it get to that $3 range here today. But with that being said, guys, I want to keep this video more short. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a comment on what's going on and how I can help you guys out. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Thumbs up this video. It does help if you guys want me to put more content out here for you guys like this that's free. So I'll see you guys in the next video.